expression b squared minus 4ac under the radical sign in quadratic formula. Here's the quadratic formula. X is equals to negative b, positive, negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. b squared minus 4ac inside the square root is called discriminant. So, we have here the table, the value of discriminant and types of number of solution. B squared minus 4ac is equal to perfect square. If the value of discriminant is perfect square, the type and the number of solution is two real rational solutions. B squared minus 4ac is not a perfect square, so the type of number of solution is two real irrational solutions. B squared minus 4ac greater than 0 is a positive discriminant, so the type and the number of solution is two real solution. If b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, the discriminant is 0, so the types and the number of solution is one real solution. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, it is negative discriminant, so the type of number of solution is no real solution to imaginary solution. Here we have a 3 example. So, example number 1. F of x is equals to 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Solution. A is equals to 3. B is equals to 7. C is equals to negative 6. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac is equals to 7 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 6 is equals to 49 plus 72. D is equals to 121. 121 is a perfect square. Example number 1. F of x is equals to 3x squared plus 7 minus 6. Solution. A is equals to 3. B is equals to 7. C is equals to negative 6. This discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. Is equals to 7 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 6 is equals to 49 plus 72. D is equals to 121. 121 is a perfect square. So, if 121 is perfect square, the types of number solution is two real rational solutions. So, in example number 2, f of x is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 5. Solution. A squared, A is equals to, example number 2, f of x is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 5. Solution. A is equals to 2, B is equals to negative 1, C is equals to negative 5. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac is equals to negative 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 5. And is equals to 1 plus 40. Discriminant is equals to 41. 41 is not a perfect square. So that the types of number of solution is two real irrational solution. So, here in our last example, f of x is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. Solution. A is equals to 1, B is equals to negative 4, C is equals to 7. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac is equals to negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7. 16 minus 28. Discriminant is equals to negative 12. Negative 12 is less than 0. The roots are imaginary. So, the types of number of solution is b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So, no real solutions, two imaginary solutions.